Me didn't even get to clean up properly from the season start. So, you go paint?
I'm starting now, but because I'm in and out, busy and everything, me not finish. I have somebody come in and them a do a thing. And the bathroom I start still.
So, what color you put in your bathroom? That's so good. So, you're going to paint the living room?
Yeah, well, pretty much make up paint the whole house, but I don't know what color I put the living room in yet.
Alright, listen to me. You see any color you paint in your room, or the same color I put in my room? Now decide which color.
Then suppose me decide to paint it in a red. Blood red.
Yuck! No sir, red? You know what? Me decide which color to use. Red? Sound like danger.
Well, tell you what you do. Paint your bedroom in a red. So when your sailor man come home, you can go out with enough foolishness.
Talking about that, me and him have an argument over a phone, you see?
What you mean argument, Tony?
If they want me, send him picture.
Picture? What kind of picture?
Picture,
Excuse me? Hello? You trying nobody practice that, In my days, it did a little safer. But now?
Bubbles, me know better than that. Next time you go see it all over the internet I gone viral before me.
Especially the line of work where we in, it wouldn't look good. So I'm vexed with you.
But for a minute. But I tell him say when he come home, he go see it, him cheer up. And him tell me say again, he go make stop and buy some things to me and send it down in a barrel.
Yeah, it's gonna sound very festive. I like the love. But I love wanna keep the connection though, T.
Yeah, I'm really miss him. I just can't wait for that cruise you're done. Bubbles, my day home big and boring. I can't come on the road with you.
Not today, T. Me and Whisper have some things to take care of on the road. But I could see how later gonna.
So what when I do something I can't come? A assignment when I do?
Not assignment, T, but agency work. What I want you focus on is the nurse. Because we have confirmation say she and the minister is together. But when I have solid evidence, for sure, say them together. So I want you get some pictures and some videos for that proof there.
Alright, I'm going to try set a time with her and soften her up a little more so I can get more information from her.
Alright, T. You deal with that. And if anything... Hold on, T. T, me go call you back here. German, the surveillance camera them down at the house. Do me a favor. Check if the network have issues or somebody a tamper with it. Listen, I'm well aware that the agency inactive. But our cameras were point to my house for my protection. Just check if them a work. Yeah, me call you back and let me know. Yeah. What you mean? Inactive. The agency. Hello? Who this?
Hello, Miss Brissett. This is Paul Watson.
Stinger.